All right, Liberty stock number 50498, Bridgeport Series 1 2 horsepower Dovetail Overarm vertical milling machine, 9x42 table, 2 horsepower spindle motor, Kurt drawbar. It's got a Soki 2-axis digital readout and a servo power feed. Chrome ways. All right, Rod.
Well, yeah, we're walking around. We're just going to show what we got here. It's in nice shape. We can run it, or we can do the drawbar right up front. Yeah, the ways show really nice. Yeah, you're right, though. The ways are in good shape. This machine hasn't been run a lot. Yeah, it's got the 3rd axis scale on there. The battery's dead, I think, on it, but that's about it. I'm sure this will work okay. They're nice to have. And yeah, we can, that's the power drawbar with the air drive. In fact, as long as we're on it, I can do it once. If we get off, see both. I'm just going to hold the mill and back off a little bit. I went too far, but you get the idea. Let me get it started. There, back in. That's all there is to that.
Got it.
Yeah, I got the first chuck, vise, the handle, collets up along the side here. It's a Jacob's chuck, which is nice, keys. 2 horsepower motor up high. This one has the oiler system on it too, which is nice, the Beezer oiler system down low. Backside, for what it's worth, has a clamp set hanging on the back. They're handy to have. Nice to have those. And some of the power cords up on this side. This is my 3-phase coming in, currently wired 220. A couple of 110 plugs. I'm just kind of temped in. One's for the DRO, the other one's for the servo unit, for the table, which I think is on right now. We can come around and maybe just power that on right away. Let me get this thing back a little bit.
Let me take a peek at the vertical ways that way too.
If you want to get in there, I mean, they're, yeah, I don't know if you can see them. I'm pulling this guy away a little bit, so, I mean, they're clean. The verticals, the verticals don't get used.
Look at the ways back there. It's,
yeah, they're nice, but yeah, that's the other side of the Y-ax, right? Yeah, the oiler's up. I pumped up the oil a little bit. And same with the screw, you know, the backlash is good on it. It's like minimal backlash. I didn't really read it out, but we'll see what we got. Yeah, about 7. Yeah, it's picking it up right away, right there. So table, maybe I didn't even look to see what the table does. Just kind of wind it up on 0 here. Let's see what I catch it at. Oh, about 7 right there. I remember new out of Bridgeport at 3,000 or 4,000 backlash. The nuts are in nice shape. The quill's in nice shape. I mean, physically, the thing looks clean. It really does. Yeah.
okay.
That all works, sure. I mean, and then there's the servo down here. Get it just right here. We go right about there. Yeah. And go back the other way. There we go, right there. And of course, wrap it. Well, we can power up fast. Yeah, these things usually work good. The servos work nice. Wrap it. And there's the button that shuts it off. So same way going the other way. That's all in good shape. Scales, if you want to get up on top, oh, I should shut this off. But you can see it clocking now if I slow it down, so. Yeah. Same thing, stop it, 0 it, kick it back in. Works nice. And the other one, here's Y. I'm just going back and forth, same thing. 0 it. And it's really sensitive. It's nice. It's a nice display. It all works good. There's some programming in there. I just don't know this display that well. So,
okay.
Lastly, the spindle, high and low speeds, and that's about it. So this is tight. Yeah. And I think we're in low range now. We're just powered on and clockwise. Let me get over here. down low, get up high in the red zone. 400 or 500. That's full out. And then low is that. We'll go over to high. It's up and high range. Clockwise. That's pretty far down there. 600. Oh, you can see it? Yeah, 12.
Sounds great.
60, yeah, it really does. Nice down in the Bridgeport. I like this one, 24. Jeez, that's nice. That's full out, 3,000. Almost in the red zone. There's nothing else to show here. This thing just speaks for itself. It runs great. I'll let it close down. And yeah, that's it. That's a nice running tool.